Tonight's What It Means looks at how the Obama administration wants to turn the internet into a government-regulated utility. You think that's a terrible idea? Well, look who once agreed with you. In 1994, when the internet was so unknown that even Vice President Al Gore had not yet claimed to have invented it.
Thank you very much.
President Bill Clinton wisely privatized and deregulated the cyberspace superhighway of goods, services, and ideas.
I'm proud to have been the president who brought the White House into the digital age.
Under Clinton, the internet fueled one of the strongest economies in history, even with the dot-com bubble. And the internet's now 150 million blogs have elbowed aside the establishment media's monopoly of news and opinion. However, unlike the more moderate Bill Clinton, Barack Obama is no fan of free markets. So, President Obama now wants to make the internet a utility under the Telephone Act of 1934. No surprise, since Barack Obama is already putting the entire healthcare industry under federal control, requiring every American to buy a government-approved insurance policy that covers precisely what Washington decrees. And wait till the employer mandate kicks in for that. The Federal Communications Commission is now moving ahead with internet regulations, all supposedly to protect you, the consumer. Find both sides of this debate on our website, fox45now.com. Just click on this What It Means report under top stories and then weigh in.